Now, during the process of manufacture in any industry, harmful and useful byproducts are produced. Some of the products which are produced may be useful and some of them may be harmful. The entire process is planned, including the materials, from where the materials will be obtained. Production volume must be carefully estimated because the selection of technique depends upon the volume to be produced. So whenever an industry plans or prepares anything, then they decide how much production has to be done according to the requirement. After the manufacture of the product, it is packed and transported to a place where it will be sold. So it will be sold and then it will be transported. That is the main part of any industry. Here, to make you understand better, there example of cooking is explained, where things are brought and then there is cooking done. After the process of cooking is done, then it is supplied, and harmful products are also produced during cooking. This is just an example. What is the impact of production process on the environment? Whenever anything is produced in any industry, what is the impact of the production of things? So during the production of any substance in any industry, there are substances produced which may be harmful. These substances, because we are reading environmental studies, so the impact of science on the environment is that it produces harmful products for the environment. These can be liquid or gaseous waste, excessive heat loss, and even the heat produced by large machines. So in any industry, heat may be produced which will cause a problem. It is also very important that it is to check all the factors leading to the manufacture of pollutants. Governments of the entire world are trying to take effective measures that are considered before the industry is set up. So the impact of industry is that it causes impact on the environment, it causes pollution. The steps include planning the local industry, its impact on the environment, and what is the steps to be taken for the setting up of an industry. So whenever anyone wants to start an industry, he has to look for a place, then he has to take a certificate from the government, which is the no objection certificate. Now, what are the basic requirements for setting up of an industry? The first step is location of an industry. Planning of location of industry is done keeping in mind the geographical aspects of that area. So some industries are set up in a place where raw materials are easily available, where the labor is easily available, and these settlements which are made in any industry, they can seriously affect the human settlements. The coastal area should be avoided. Industry should not be set up near coastal area, as most of the waste will be thrown into the water. It will cause pollution of the sea and land. The Government of India has given specific guidelines to regulate the location of industries. Some of these need to take clearance from the government, which is the no objection certificate. So these are the aspects of setting up of any industry. Industries are usually located in places which are connected to the major market, where there are roads available, navigation, trains, etc. It is also prohibited to open industry near areas containing major settlements. Most of the industries are situated away from the common settlements of a place. Industries are settled or set up away from the city. What is the environmental impact assessment? Before planning any industrial development, the effect on the environment must be considered. So the environmental impact assessment is a step which needs to be taken early for the planning of large scale projects. This is a time when the consuming and expensive process, this is a time consuming process where you have to first assess that if there is an industry set up in any place, what will be its impact on the environment. It is discovered that there will be a lot of waste produced. It will lead to the pollution, some steps must be stated in the plan and for studying the impact of the land pollution. Some treatment plants are there which will control the pollution given out from the industry. If the environment impacts have been assessed, then various consequences, then the plan can also be terminated. If an industry does not comprehend to these, then the industrial plan can be terminated. The important areas which are considered are the quality of the water and other details of the treatment, arrangement of the waste, and also the health and safety of the unit of the industry. Whatever is the industry producing, it will directly or indirectly affect the environment. So this is assessed by the government and the industries have to follow these norms.